street of the passionate baptizer. Not too far from San Lorenzo Church exists the street where watercolorist George Chinnery once lived. A street named Baptista. A street with a passionate baptizer. And now you know the story of another slice of Not too far from San Lorenzo existed a passionate baptizer with a street named after him. Just another peculiarity of the street names of Macau.
Rue de Ignacio Baptista. I forget, Baptista is definitely Baptist. Ignacio, I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's like John the Baptist or something different. But we're kind of exploring this historical part of Macau, and we're gonna follow this towards São Lorenzo. São Lorenzo is gonna be around this corner, so we're gonna check that out in a second. So stay tuned. I will show you a slice of Macau. Put this up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, so let's just take a look here. This goes down to, there's a hospital and that goes ultimately down to the ocean. We also have some other stuff down here, so we're gonna just show you. This goes down to this is Casada de Janeiro, and there's a marketplace down that way, but we're going to be following this one up around this corner right up here, and it's going to go to São Lorenzo, and it's also going to go to an apartment that I was looking at once, and I thought it'd be really cool to rent. I always kind of want to see it every time I get in this area, so we're going to take a look at that as well. So let's take a look. See what all we can see. Oh, actually, this door is open. So I also wanted to show what's in this door. It goes all the way down. Actually, there's like motorbikes parked in there. I think that's factory. I'm not sure. And then over there, they have incense over there. So right now it's like the Hungry Ghost time period, so that's what those two women are doing over there with the like burning offerings to the spirit world. And we are walking down Ignacio the Baptist. Is that John the Baptist? Ignacio, baby Jesus, baby Baptist, baby Baptist, baptize the baby. I don't know. Trying to translate the Portuguese word there. Okay, so we're gonna walk towards Dream Sexagenarian. Such an interesting one. Special Olympics and people who are in their 60s or born in 1960s. One of the two. I guess if they're born in 1960s, they would be in the 60s. So it's hard to know if they changed their name in 10 years or if they... We also have some little courtyard stuff up in here. Huh, it's actually closed. There's a little park. Looks like it's closed right now. That's kind of cool, all these buildings like this. Oh, this is Bookend. What I wanted to. This is kind of new. It's called Bookend, and then they have books and music and different stuff in there. Kind of want to take the camera in there. I've been meaning to stop in that place for quite a while. It's kind of for the creative community. Speaking of the creative community, there's also a little Travessa de Ignacio Baptista right there. And then there's another art space right here. So actually I came to that and I saw the opening. Huh. It's a hair salon place. That looks kind of new. There used to be something else that was here. I think it's closed now. There was like a restaurant that was on this side. Bookend. This is a McDonald's. Our street's gonna end in a moment. The people that just came out, they came out of the apartment that I was interested in. This one right here, this green one. I'll show it on another side of it. Here's McDonald's. Ignacio Baptista. So we are going to go. We're gonna go across the street because I want to film from this side. And here's San Lorenzo Church right there. And I think this whole street right here is, I think it's called Lorenzo Street, but you can see this beautiful church up there. And then this green apartment, I was hoping to rent. I was almost rented this space right here, that one that's on the second story. I think they got a dog there. But yeah, that was really impressive. It was like a one bedroom for 700 mop, which is like about 900 American dollars, 850 American dollars, something like that. Okay. There's Lorenzo. And that was our street right there. A little slice of Macau for you. And there's another angle. So yeah, there's this building's kind of cool. I heard somebody that I knew went up to the top and they could see quite a bit from up there. He was telling me about it. And this is that building that I was thinking that was really interesting. There's a church, and this church would have been up on a hill once. And that was our target street right there, Ignacio. And then down this way is George Chinnery. So George Chinnery was a watercolorist from 1800s. So that street is named after him. And he painted a lot around this neighborhood because he lived nearby. So he'd often paint that. So anyways, we're gonna end it on that note. And that was our target street right there.